What about my granny's glasses?
I think someone clicked play.
Oh wow! I guess you're here because you're interested in doing a project out of copper water pipes. Maybe a walk-in closet like me, or a kitchen shelf, maybe a curtain rod. Then you click correctly play. I've prepared for you a mini e-course with many videos, a lot of tips, so you can build something new, something that is you. So to not make this video too long, let me show you first what I built. I can see you're getting impatient, huh? Me too. This is why I prepared this mini e-course, so you can watch only what you want at the stage you need it. All the links to the topics I present now you find below. The first topic would be the brainstorming and design part. No matter what you do, walk-in closet or a kitchen chef, oh, that would be actually so cool. You need to think things through before you go and buy the wrong stuff. I'm sharing there things I really learned the hard way. Then a boring but one of the most important topics, how to measure correctly. And don't worry, it's actually really not that difficult. Then a super fun step for me, how to stick the pipes together so the construction is solid and not moving. Kids could play here around. Another fun topic is how to cut the copper pipes, which is super easy. And finally, the last topic is where I've put my heart and soul into it, is how to make the Agarowski construction, meaning a construction which is solid, strong, with integrated shelves, cupboards, what kind of connections we've used, how we've played with them around to make this construction possible, and ignoring the voice in the hardware store after I ask, hey, where are the copper pipes? You're here because you want to do a walk-in closet? It's not possible. Okay, it is, and I'm gonna show you how. So the room is not ready yet for now. I just did one side and I'm definitely gonna change this IKEA cupboard, so stay tuned on this project. And if you have any kinds of questions left, then yeah, feel free to reach out to me directly on Instagram, writing, hey crazy copper pipe lady, I have a question. Or if you have any idea on what else I could do in an extra learning video, then yeah, I'm happy to hear that. And thanks for watching and see you in the next video.